Hello friends, once again welcome back to the channel. I am Gaurav here and this is the part 5 of this series. So in today's video what we're gonna do? Well, we are going to modify our player movement so that we can clamp our player movements in our desired area. So let's start it and let's dive into the Unity. But first, as I always say, if you are new in this channel, please check out our previous videos first and also consider to subscribe our channel. It will help me to be motivated. And as you see, it's our project that we are working on it. So now let's start with our player movement script. Double click on it to open, and in the update, first get rid of transform.translate line. We don't need that anymore, because instead of this we are gonna take another approach, and it's a transform.position. Transform.position equal to new vector 3. Well, transform.position needs vector 3 because our player is moving around in 3D world space, so it's gonna be vector 3. And also because we don't have vector 3, so we have to create a new one, and here we need 3 parameters in all 3 axes, x, y and z. Transform.position.x, y and same for z. Because we want to move our player only in 2 directions, in our case it's x axis and z axis, so we will add input.getAxis with x and z axis. Okay, let's make that line simple to read and easy to understand. To do that, we need to create 2 variables for horizontal and vertical inputs, and let's create a float type variable, horizontal move and vertical move. Float horizontal move equal to input.getAxis horizontal, and for vertical input, float vertical move equal to input.getAxis vertical. Okay, and now add them here. Horizontal move with transform.position.x and vertical move with the transform.position.z, and also multiply them with speed and also with time.delta9 to control their speeds and make them frame rate independent. But as you see, that line looks too complicated and very long. Let's make it simple. I'm gonna create another 2 more float variables, float horizon offset and verti offset. Put these lines here, and instead of writing that big line, we will use these variables here. Okay, now it looks nice and tidy, right? Pretty awesome. Now let's clamp these offsets. And how we're gonna do that? Well, for clamping these offsets, we will use method.clamp, float clamp to horizon pause, method.clamp, and same for verti pause. Okay, first let me clear it. Method.clamp is a Unity's built-in function. As you see, when I hover mouse over this here, you see first it take a value and then it take a min and max value. Basically the first value is a float point value which we want to restrict inside the range defined by the min and max values. So now we need some variables for min and max values. Let's create them. Serialize field, private float horizon range, and one for verti range. And now again, you might wondering that what's a serialized field exactly? Well, to understand that, it's like you want to see that private value in a hierarchy, but you still don't want to call by another script, so it's still private but you can still access it from hierarchy. For now, I think it's a simple way to describe it, and it's okay if you don't get it, because in future videos we will use it all the time and you will be used to it. Well, actually I think we need 2 more variables for our position which we want to clamp, right? So let's make it. Float raw horizon pose and put that line transform.position.x here, and same for vertical, just duplicate it. And now let's clamp them here in method.clamp. Our first value is raw horizon pose, and for the min and max value it's negative horizon range, and for max it's same horizon range but in positive way. Let's duplicate it for vertical axis and change their name here. And now down there we will use our clamp horizon pose for x-axis, and for z-axis clamp vertical. And that's it. we clamped our player's movement. And now let's head back to the Unity and let's check it out. And here we're getting some strange behavior. What's the problem? Let's see. Well, the problem is we didn't set our horizontal and vertical range yet. It's still default, which is 6. Let's tweak that value. 45 looks nice for me, and you can give anything which you desire. So that's it, we clamped our player's movement, and in the next video we will clamp our camera movement, and it will be almost same like this, because this video gonna be very big. So that's it for today's video, and for now keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, see you later.